here. So this is what I was telling you about, what we call scaling. If you are scaling, look at it now. I'm already in a buy order here. The order has go up to this level, and I'm not ready to close this order because I'm not expecting this market to go below this level. You see, this previous support that yes, this previous support, that will be a resistance now. That stands resist because it was broken here. It was actually a resistance here. So this resistance was broken, and the market is trying to retest it. So by retesting it, I should be in profit. There is no way market will retest this resistance that will not be in profit. I'm not closing this my long position. So instead of me to just hope for a drawdown, I will enter my pips. You see, I've already captured my first TP. Look at it. Let me even tell my VIP members. You can see. Let me show you when I give the buy order. You see, I give the buy signal. Look at it here. I give the buy signal 3 a.m. Signal buy boom 1000. That's that long buy I was buying, and the market have been profit since. It's still going. I still give them update. It still go down. I'm still telling. So TP1, TP2, TP3 has hit. That's for the buys, because I was actually targeting 30 pips, 50 pips, and 80 pips, and I've already captured those pips correctly. So now, what remains now? And just this afternoon, sorry, around 3 p.m. we have gotten a magic bot signal confirmation to what? To sell. Look at it. To sell crash 1000. You see, sell crash 1000. I circle it here. Magic bomb signal. You see my account. So you see, I've gotten the confirmation. I share free VIP signals coming up. So I give this signal free because it's Sunday. I always give free signals on Sunday. Even today, I'm going to release live VIP signals by 6 p.m. So I give the signal 10 pips, 20 pips, 30 pips. You see, this is magic bomb strategy, magic bot, and magic bomb strategy. There are two. We have the magic bomb, that's the magic bot, and we have the magic bomb strategy, is the strategy. But when you want to get a very, very good confirmations for all your entries and market structure with respect to trend and everything, just combine the two. You will be shocked with the success. You will definitely be shocked with the success. Please, for those that want a signal, probably for those that want to have signals providers, please, you can give us a trial. We give you signals that you can never find anywhere. You can go through our channel. You can see our signals are always cashing out. You see, our signals are always cashing. All these signals are just cool signals. So let me go back. You see, TP2 now is loading. TP2 is loading. I'm going to wait with you here for the market, or remember 5 pips for TP2 to hold. I'm going to wait for you here so that we can capture the 5 pips together. We can take the TP2. Let's hit the TP2. Let me update my VIP members. Let me update my VIP members on the progress. But first of all, I need to close this trade with you. Let me just chart them up. TP1 hits. TP1 hits. TP2 and TP3 are all loading. So we are loading TP1, TP2, TP3. This is live and direct. This is live and direct. This is live and direct this very Sunday. So you can see we have some lot of things here. So this VIP signals and the whole of this boom and crash thing is just something else. So you can see the magic bomb. For those that want to buy the bot, you can see. Let me show you. You see, just today alone, it has gives almost, since yesterday, sorry. So it gives almost, look at it, see the number of signals. sell on Crash 1000, sell on Boom 1000, sell on Step Index, sell on Visibility 75, Step Index. You see, sell on Visibility 75. So you can use this board to trade Volatility 75 Index very well with a very good confirmation and signals. You can also use it to trade Boom and Crash, but the best way to trade this board is for you to catch spikes. It's majorly used to catch spikes, especially in the crash indexes, because you have a long back test result, live real result that we can prove and show to you on such content and how those content influence our trading. I think I'm going to go now. Because I'm getting some content ready for you people. I want this TP2 to hit. TP2 to hit. I want this TP2 to hit before I go. I want this TP2 to hit before I go. You see, finally, market hit our TP. So please don't forget to like this video. If you find any value on this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also share this video with your friends and family so that we can be able to catch the fifths together. We are always here to help all struggling traders to make sure they excel and make money in the forex market. We have just less than a pip to go. We have 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 just 0.5 pips to go. 0.5 pips to go. 0.5 pips to go. We have 0.5 pips to go. Nice to have you here, and good to see you next time in order to share you very valuable content. And for the next 3 to 4 weeks, I'll be giving you some custom indicators that you can be used to trade Boom and Crash successfully. Very awesome, very cool, very tiling. And in my next, for those that have the board, please don't forget. You see, market hit, TP hits, TP hits, TP hit.
قال ألم أقل إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا قال لا تؤاخذني بما نسيت ولا ترهقني من أمري عسرا فانطلقا حتى